Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to another round of me trying. Oh, that's loud. Sorry about that. Okay, that's better. Okay. Yeah, we're trying to improve in the programming. My method is to split it into rounds. Each round consists of 5 minutes of typing exercise and 35 minutes of going through some tutorials, studying documentation. Now I'm building application, but I don't know what I will do next on the application. So we'll figure it out as we go. My keyboard, oh cool. It's this guy over here. I can have a check. It's called Gargoplex. And I should order some like white keycaps or something because it's not visible much. And I had over here. Now it's visible a little bit. It's tiny. Fits in the hand. Yeah, it's my keyboard. And that's everything. It has its upsides and downsides. Yeah. Okay, so we will do the typing exercise. I do track. Oh, you're very welcome. I do keep track of my typing progress. So from the last session, this was the last attempt, and we can see that my error rate is going down. Well, it went up a little bit right now, but in general, the tendency is going down and my speed is increasing. So, which is nice. That means I'm improving. This is an application which I wrote, a simple like CLI tool. Just saves the things for me and then presents me with some statistics to keep me motivated. Anyway, let's get into it, shall we? So I'll start the timer now. Let's go. Oh, hello. Hello, everyone. So let me finish this typing exercise and I will give you the spiel. Come on. Network error in my life. You can call me so. I'm trying to be. Okay, so I'll pause the timer. I will save my 7%. Okay, whatever. 7:41. So yeah, hello Memo Twitch, hello Gintaras, hello QTube, welcome everybody. Welcome to the channel. Here I'm trying to improve myself in the frustrating art of programming. my method is to split everything into sessions, rounds, programming workouts, I call them. Now I'm doing the second one out of 4 planned for this stream. That is session number 603 of me trying to learn programming. And each round consists of 5 minutes of typing exercise. I'm trying to improve my typing abilities, and 35 minutes of some primary programming skill that would be programming. So I create an applications. I go through some tutorials, read documentations, and so forth. So far on the stream, I created a few things, one of which you saw. This is this simple tool which helps me keep track of my typing progress, right? So here we can see like the statistics. This is the error rate, and this is the speed of with which I type. And this is the average for all time. This is for last 7 days, 3 days, and in generally the error rate goes down and my speed increases. You know, like the last 3 days it's kind of wobbly, but I don't track it for too long, so it will even out. So that's one of the things which I developed, and I also can show you this thingy which I developed, and that is yeah, it is a timer. It's similar to those things as well. It's not still completed to my satisfaction, but right now I can already like enter some time, like say 3 seconds, and then I can run it, right? And when it finishes, you know, it starts to blink, right? To give me the feedback that the timer has finished. And of course, I can set it up again to, let's say, 1 hour, 2 minutes, 33 seconds, you know, and then I start it, right? And you can see I have a bug in here because it should not be blinking at this moment, right? Yeah, but I can fix that. Let me write it into my notes. Oh fuck! No! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away! Come on! 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 Oh, thank you for the follow. That's really nice of you. You might regret your life decisions later, but I'm glad you are here. Oh, thank you, Jack, for Max. Yeah, oh, hold on. I did close my notes for some reason. Kill this, and then that was in the projects I want to open. Okay, so there are my projects notes, and that is the timer, and the to-do lists. I have this problem, so it will be, oh come on, insert bug out, blinking showed stop after stopping, resetting, starting new timer. Yes, that's what I want. That's what I want. Okay, so I can quit this application, and so those are those 2 things which I wrote, and I also wrote, currently I'm working on this application, which is like a thing which will help you which will help you plan your diet. You will enter, let's say, I want this amount of energy, right? Let's say that you want to gain weight or you want to lose, so you will calculate your intake, energy intake, which you should get. And let's say that you want this amount of this percentage of that be from a meat, or maybe you want to get your protein or everything or like that from I don't know, like some plants or whatever. So you can set up your preferences, and then it will calculate the things for you, and it will basically output a grocery shopping list for you, like what you should buy if you want to have like this amount of iron, vitamin C, some like the nutrients values, right? Which you are looking for, and it will spit out. Currently, it is in the beginning phases, so I have it connected to a database, which I will run it stored in the, oh come on, it's stored in the, I have it in a Docker image, and I connect to the container from my application. So just to demonstrate a few things which I can do right now is I will run it. Okay, so it's running, and I can have a look into the database, which would be, I need to create new console, and PSQL, here we go. Oh, I don't want that. Escape. Okay, so I want PSQL, and user will be POSTGRES, which I use for accessing that. Here we go. And we will have a list of everything in here. Okay. So now I'm connected to the wrong service. There are two databases running on my machine. So let me kill the wrong one. I will exit this, which will be this. Okay. How do I exit this? Wait, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Let's try that. /q. Yes, it is. Thank you very much. And I will find the wrong database. Kill it. Access denied. Oh yeah, okay. I need to run it as administrator. Where is it? Here is it. Okay, cool. Here it is. Yes. Bye. Should be it. Should be it. Should be yes. Okay, cool. So now, if I run it and I do list, that's weird. Okay. Okay, so this is what I will be solving right now. So let's get back to the process. I cannot even show you this, so I will be fixing this, whatever the problem is with that, in this session. Yeah. So I will go back to the typing. I have still 3 minutes to go. So hopefully you right now have an idea what you are up to. So you can either stay or leave, because you have been warned and you have been informed, and it is your responsibility now to make that decision. So I'll restart that. How was your stream? Nemo did raid me, right? Yeah, how was your stream? But he might be already gone. I also, like, sometimes I'm really, like, tired after streaming, so I don't stay for long. That's understandable. He does same stuff with Python plus Java for work. What we both in this stream, like we were so chilling with. Nice. That sounds chill. He does Java too, huh? I should check it out. 6% and 42 VPN. Let me actually check him. And does he code? Is there a code? Is there a code? There's no code. Playing games. Oh well. Thank you for the raid. Oh, hold on. Here's like he does code. Okay, so we will give it a try, right? We will follow, and maybe we will be able to check what is going on. Yeah. So, and we are done with the typing part on this round, and we will proceed to fixing the stuff. So, yeah, that's what we are doing. So I will have a look in here. If there's something I can search here, right? Post. Oh, here we go. That's what I wanted to kill. Also, I should somehow configure if it starts on the startup of my machine or no. I don't want it to start. But this should cause that now it will quit, and we will try connect to it. Cool. Now if we list, now we are in the right database. Now we are connected to our Docker image. So we can just test things for fun. Also here, I suppose it will be fucked up. Let me see actually, because I did start it, but the database which I wanted to connect it to was not available at that moment. So I'm just curious, like, what it will do. Oh, there's a tab. Oh yeah, there's like nothing. Oh, here we go. I have it open twice. So we will restart the application. That's what we do. Yes, rerun, please. So it's running. Okay. Yeah, because I'm in the wrong branch. I'm running the code which will not work. Oh well. Okay. So, but we found out, right? That's the main thing. So here I just did update on this branch the README, and this is. Oh no. This one, storing ingredients. It still haven't been merged to the main, so I'm waiting for the review. Just check if we are in the right place. We are. So now I will run the application. Cool. So we'll have a look at that, and we will switch to food, and we will select. No, first of all, we have the ingredients. That's good. So we do select everything from ingredient, and there's nothing. I'm sorry, what? Interesting. Let's try it in here. Database, we are connected. So that's cool. And in our console, if we do select here, we do have a data in. So what the freak is happening over here? Ingredient. I don't know what is happening right now. C'est la vie. What could be the problem, huh? I'm connected to the right database. Connected to the database food as POSTGRES. That's good. Then if I do the ingredient and so the table is all right. That was created in the right way. Of course it is, because I can read the data. if I do select everything from gradient. Okay. Why? Oh, semicolon. Here we go. This happened to me so many times. This happened to me so many times. Always looking at like the database in a PSQL tool, right? I was like, what is happening? What is happening? And then I was like, it doesn't make sense. It should be there. It should be there. It happened to me 3 times already. Or 4 maybe, I don't know. Yeah. And sometimes it really gets to me, you know? And then I feel like really stupid and hopeless and so on. Hold on, since when do we get this icon when someone is raiding? It's nice. How come? Well, whatever. It works. It's nice. Yeah, it's usually... If only most of my problems could be like solved with finding the missing semicolon. Because finding the missing semicolon in real life is a little more difficult than in programming. And here it goes like until the interpreter or the SQL engine, I don't know, arrive to this, it will not do shit. It's kind of confusing, right? Because like those things, oh yeah, that's for the PSQL and this is the query. Yeah, because if I would have to like everything terminate with a semicolon, that it would be like, okay, but then you are writing the ingredient, you know, and then you do this, and I would expect it to work as well. Oh well, it's just the way it is, right? Like a lot of things are not sensible. Yeah, it doesn't have a reason really behind it. There might be like historical, yeah, and look at that, how it works. Yeah, so here we just queried like in a browser the data. Okay, so what do I want to do next? Start a new time. Yes, I do have an API. Here I could show you. Ingredient control, here I defined my endpoints. So we are all one post, put, delete, that's all what I have right now for the ingredients. And so we can do one, for example. Here I get to ingredient 1 and we want with 3, which will be the orange, right? So I put that, bam! Oh, so we'll have some exercise. Cool. I will do that at the end of the interval. To have some movement. Oh, you saved your points, I see. Ah, that will be good session, I see. Okay, so this works. What is the next thing? What is the next thing to do? Da, 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 da. This will be. So I will move here. Yeah, it's the edge of English planner. Sorry. Food shopper was the name we decided on. So another things which we can do is, what is this? Oh yeah, the SQL. It's another way, but did not work. Whatever. Oh, come on. It's not what I wanted. Oh, come on. Da, da, da. There we go. Move you here. And we can do the unit tests. And we can do the front end. Probably can do the front end. Yeah. Now, do I want to have it in one project? The front end and the back end side of the things. That is the question. Probably can have that. Right. What does the Google says about on this topic? I wonder. So this is done. What is this? Line posting. Oh, those are the factory methods. I don't need. Okay, what is this? Serialization that has been solved. Hibernate type solved. This is The basic attribute solved. Here's the local host. Okay, so is it standard to have front end and back end in one repository? Oh, there we go. Here we go. Okay, so here's something. There's no single answer. This is a good or bad practice. It depends on the team structure as well as how the application built, tested, and deployed. Welcome back. Follow this question. Close it. I tend to like go in the direction to put it in one directory. Nice picture. It's easier to configure building process and test runs as one continuous process. That seems good. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll go with single repository. That end-to-end testing is kind of like good point. I don't know how to do end-to-end testing without running the both backend and frontend. So we'll go with a single repository. I have no idea how would you do that. I suppose there is a way. I just don't know what is it. Okay. Okay. So, what is the next step? This is not what I wanted. Yes. For and rest of and testing. That's it. Unit test and front end. So right now we have the basic structure for the back end, and we are just getting the ingredients. But right now that is kind of enough, and I want to wait for more backend implementation to when we want to start, when we see what we actually want, right? Because sometimes you build the front end and you show the basically mock-ups or like easily like created, like, you know, like how the page will be working to the customer or, well, to yourself, to anyone, and you realize, oh, wouldn't it be nice, like, if it would have this and that and that. And if you already went ahead and implemented everything in backend, you might find yourself in a situation when you would like, it doesn't really fit. Well, like the usage. So then you could have like some weird uh, weird shit on, like, how are you putting, like, the information together on the front end. Hey, Quincy. Oh, thank you for for everyone else that was like, hello, sexy man in Czech language. Hey, Quincy, how are you doing? Thank you for the subscription. Thank you very much. I'm glad you like it. Well, how am I? Okay, so I'm better than I was like a few days ago. I went outside, had some food. I even woke up during the day today, and I did create this application which stores some things to a database. So this is what is there. I have an API created, so I can query for things. Like, let's say I want the third thing and it is orange, right? Or I can ask for all ingredients and it will give me everything what is stored in the database at the moment. The database is running inside of the Docker container. That took also a little bit to get it up and running. And now I have decided that since I'm working on it with a friend, he is doing the CI, the DevOps for it, and I'm developing the application. So it's in here, I found out how to do how to create even like creating a pull request and so on was like different here to compare to we were using Bitbucket. I'm used to Bitbucket. So I spent some time on learning that. And we have the application. Job interview tomorrow for junior DevOps engineer. I've never done it. I would really wanted this job. Oh, nice. So, well, good luck tomorrow. Good luck tomorrow, dude. Let me, yeah, let me know if you feel like it. I would love to hear about how it went. Like, and what questions were they asking, and so on. This guy is actually DevOps engineer. I need to invert this binary tree. Yes, but I'm I'm going for the DevOps role. And he goes like, oh yes. What am I doing now? What am I doing now? Unit test. I don't feel like unit. I don't want to do. Well, there's nothing to unit test to do unit test on right now. So I'll shift it here and we will do front end. It happened to me that I went to an interview and they asked me about implementing something using recursion. So I look at the guy and told him, "Do you use the recursion in your in your code base?" Like at all? Uh, and his response was, "Oh well, you have to know your enemy." Well, his response was no, and I was like, "So?" And he goes like, "Well, you have to know your enemy to deal with it." I was like, "Okay, that's bullshit." And he was just playing me, like even for the money, and he was giving me like this IQ quizzes, and so on, and then he was like, "Oh yeah, we are not so," and then I got like better paid, better opportunity, better everything, work somewhere else, right? And then I was like, well, maybe no. And then I got a message from him that they would be actually interested, like in me. I was like, dude, no, I got a job already, and I'm not playing these games with you. DevOps versus software SVE is what? Software and environment? It's just different. I've been both. Oh, nice. I wouldn't say one is more difficult than the other. Just require different skills. Hmm. I never actually occurred to me ever like compare it even. Software engineer. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I guess we will do site reliability engineer. Nice. Hmm. Okay, so this concludes this session. We have some redeems to do, so we'll do that.